Molsect knife, and we don't know what this one is, but this box with this color, it's looking like something nice is in here. So let's take a look. All right, we got that zipper pouch, and then we have a Molsect little magnetic pin right there. Looks nice. We have a wiping cloth, some silica gel, and this is not your average zipper pouch. Wait a second, we have a Velcro little section right here for your Velcro patches. We have additional pockets on the outside. They're definitely kind of reimagining the whole zipper pouch, which for a lot of knives is kind of like a throwaway thing, but this one's got some interesting sauce there. And oh man, here's the knife, ladies and gentlemen. That's looking epic. And then we also have some pockets inside here also. But okay, Molsect, let's see what you are up to these days. Holy smokes, ladies and gentlemen. Man, oh man, this is looking epic. Absolutely epic. Let's go ahead and give her a nice little wipe here. All right, kind of wipe away a few oils and whatnot. But holy smokes, we definitely got to go 2x zoom here. We have, is this, I'm assuming titanium. Absolutely, yep, titanium with steel hardware. And then this old T8, right, steel pivot, captive pivot to be exact. And then we have this epic sort of gold looking, gold and black carbon fiber. And there's your lanyard solution back there, big old hole going all the way through. We have a titanium crown back spacer, right, no pull there except the hardware portions. And on the other side, a titanium pocket clip, and also a matching, slightly different sort of design, but matching otherwise carbon fiber inlay as well. Looking good. It's going to be a frame lock with the stress relief cutout on the outside and the Molsect logo on there. Actually pretty tastefully done, not gonna lie. Molsect, right? That's a good call. I love how you put the logo there. And we have an opening hole here. We have a back flipper and a front flipper. They give us a whole shebang there, right? So let's go reverse flick for the win here. Bam. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. You got my attention, Molsect. Absolutely. Hold on a second. Hold the phone, guys. Holy macaroni. Check this out. Beautiful drop point, almost warny looking blade. All right. And then we have a flat grind going on there. Pretty tall flat grind with S35 VN steel. Looking the best. It's all blacked out too. So that's matching the handle here. It almost looks like the matte DLC. Future me double check, because this looks like matte DLC, and if that's the case, that's absolutely a great combo there for sure. Okay, again, it is a frame lock, so we have a good, let's see, engagement there, about maybe 20% or so, with a decent axis from the show side. All right, let's see here. All right, pretty nice and easy to disengage, pushing down into the left, and the drop shot action. All right, a little bit of a shake shutter since it's new, of course. One thing for sure though, that Spidey flick feels nice. Thumb deployment. Okay, thumb deployment feels good. Might want to put some KPL. All right, maybe. Just, I like doing that for all my new knives, just so I know they're nice and lubricated, ready to go. And then back flipper. Oh yeah, that feels good too. Back flipper, yep. All day. Light switching. Push buttoning it. Okay, you could fail it if you push button it. So perhaps light switching is the best way to go. And last but not least, that front flipper is money. Oh yeah, absolutely. Yep, works just as you would expect there. As far as the ergos go, it's actually a pretty tall handle, so chunky handle there. Feels the hand with the hammer grip. Again, I got average size hands, so you guys already know, not too big, not too small. Then we got a finger choke here. We can forward choke as well and get some work done. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can absolutely get some work done for sure. All right, check that out. All right, so pretty good ergos there. All right, pocket clip, I feel a tad bit. All right, nothing crazy. I'm going to go 9 out of 10 overall in the ergos department. But, I mean, most importantly, I mean, this thing is an absolute looker. Right? We'll compare them all side by side here towards the end. But Molsect, I like where you're going. I like what you are doing here. This looks really, really nice. And again, S35VN with titanium and this crazy camo, right? Absolutely a great combo, without a doubt. Love to see it.